way to read along with the pen is to use the pen on the sticker labels. The sticker labels come as a package in the Super iPen box. First, you would take the pen and point to the Touch Me First picture in the book. And then you would take the pen and point to a read along sticker label. Now, once you point to that label, it will make a sound to alert you that you have entered the read along mode. And you can read along, and once you're done and you want to get out of this read along mode with the stickers, you would press this sticker label. Here is our pen and a book and our sticker labels to begin. Now my pen is on, so we'll first find that Touch Me First button in the book.
繪本列車韓國系列童樂園教育出版社
And then we can find which mode we want it to read. And I'm gonna pick the storytelling mode.
講故事
Now we can use our stickers. And we press read along.
爸爸，我好掛住你啊！爸爸，爸爸。
Okay, and so we want to get out of this mode and pick a different mode. Okay, let's do
朗讀故事 爸爸，我想你。